Ivy is drinking from a sippy cup for real. 1 year and 2 weeks old. Yay! It's no big deal, Mom. Oh, but it is. You're growing up.
Have another sip.
What a big girl. Refreshing. Aww. You make us proud, Evelina. Good girl.